Hey guys, Elisa here, and you are looking at my own Facebook wall. I am showing you this pinned post. This was a post I made a day ago, showing off this clickable party. It's not really a party, it's just a link you can share and try and share your love of Scentsy and earn free and half price stuff. So this was the post that I posted a day ago, and let's click the link. So you see here this little hand kind of going back and forth saying tap here. When I tap that underlined February shopping link, it will go straight to my website where your friends or family or whoever you share this with can shop. Right below that is the view the digital catalog. I'm going to click that and it'll go straight to the catalog on my website. So if your friend or family likes the catalog looking view better, they can do that versus just the website. Below that is join Scentsy, because right now we have an awesome join deal where you can get the supersized starter kit, where it currently has our fall winter items that are leaving this month, as well as the upcoming new spring summer catalog that starts next month. Plus, you get 10 bars from our new spring summer catalog. They are the 10 new scents. So that is an extra add-on on top of the supersized kit you would already get in February. So that is the join link. Right below that is fill out this form for personalized text alerts. If you click that, you will see this form, and then you can personalize different things in here, like clicking your likes. You want to try Warmers and Wax, you like Star Wars, Warner Brothers, Harry Potter, what have you. I will set you up text alerts personalized for you based off of what you fill out on this form, if you so choose to. And then if somebody else or yourself, if you're watching this, wants your own personal clickable shopping link like this one, then I can set you one up as well. Just send me a message and we can chat. As you see right there, it says scroll down. So that is what we're going to do. And this is your reminder that this is sale month, because right now it is 10% off sale. Discontinuing items, scroll down again, are at least 20% off. So the items on this list, discontinued products that will be leaving the current catalog and not coming back next month, will be discontinued and on sale for 20% off or more. Scroll down one more time and you are going to get see the February Scent Circle bundle. You get 20 scent circles for only $30 here in the US. And if you click that scent circle right there in the middle, it will take you directly to that bundle. This bundle is only in February and while supplies last, so don't miss out. Scroll down one more time and you're going to get a little story about me and my family. So if you are interested in one of these clickable parties personalized to yourself, let me know. Or if you just want me to send you this one, comment below as well. Hope you have an amazing day. If you have any questions, throw that in the comments below as well, and I'll get back to you. Bye now.